In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to GitHub in Base44. Let's get started by opening Base44 and heading into your workspace. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the project you actually want to connect to GitHub. Think of this as telling Base44, this is the app or workspace whose code or configuration I want to manage alongside my GitHub repository. On your main dashboard in Base44, look for the list of apps or projects available to you. Click into the specific project you're working on. Once you're inside that project, you should see the editor interface, where you normally manage your tasks, views, or entities. Make sure you're in the correct project because the GitHub connection will apply specifically to this one. Now that your project is open, look towards the top right area of the screen, where you typically find options like sharing or project settings. Next to the share button, there should be a small icon. This icon is usually used for more advanced integrations or configuration options. Go ahead and click on the icon beside share. When you click that icon, Base44 will bring up a panel or a modal with various connection or integration settings. This is where you would normally find the option to link your project to GitHub. However, in this case, Base44 requires that your workspace or account be on an upgraded plan before you can actually enable the GitHub integration. So when you try to proceed with the GitHub connection from this menu, you'll see a prompt or message telling you that you need to upgrade first. This is important to understand. You're not doing anything wrong, it's simply a feature that is limited to paid or higher tier plans. At this point, you have two paths. If you're just exploring the feature, you can stop here, knowing that the GitHub integration is available once you upgrade. If you do plan to use GitHub with Base44 in a serious way, for example, to keep your configuration version controlled, or to collaborate more closely with developers, this is a good moment to talk to your team or admin about upgrading the account. Once the upgrade is in place, you can return to the same project, click the icon beside share again, and you'll be able to proceed with the full GitHub connection flow from there. And that's the process for connecting to GitHub in Base44, including what you need to do before the integration becomes